Oh yeah. Coffee time. All right, let's get started. I don't know why, but it just tastes better when she makes it. I can taste her hands, I guess. I don't know. Let's rebuild the bike, shall we? This bike's being rebuilt for a good friend of mine. I've known him since he was younger than 10. Now he's a grown-ass dude. Boy, time flies. Now, if you haven't guessed by now, I'm rebuilding this bike for my good friend Nando. He's a bad man in a good way, but you already know that. All right, let's turn a wrench. Like I always say, this is my favorite part of the build. The test run. Let's do it. Looks like I missed a spot. Nothing that little grinder couldn't handle. Easy peasy. That's it. Looks like she's all ready to go. Let's do this.